Hello everyone, as you can see I'm in OBS Studio and I'm recording right now. So if I enter a game, it's not full screen, it will still work. But if I enter full screen, as you can see, it freezes. So what can we do is go to the sources and look for display capture or screen capture, whatever it's called for you. Click on it, click properties. Now we need to change from whatever it is to DXGI desktop duplication and click OK. Now if you enter a game and enter full screen, as you can see, now it works and records in full screen. It also works the same when you're streaming. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.